Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario and today we're working on a last ditch effort for Christmas shopping. Stick around. Okay, to start things off, we have the Gourmet 5-quart air fryer at Costco. This I think is a little gem. For $55, or I think it's $60 online, you get a 5-quart air fryer. And I did an unboxing and review of this. I'll pop a link in the description, but I think at $55, this is a bargain. Okay, I had this on my last Costco showing, but this is the Calphalon 11-piece stacking pot and pan set. Now, if you have a small kitchen or a small area to store pots and pans, I think this thing is great. Now, it is a little pricey, but it wasn't on sale last time around, but it is now. So normally $3.99, now it's $2.99. So for $300 and some tax, you got a nice pot and pan set that stacks nicely. Now, I have a Calphalon pan set, and it's been really good, and I've been really impressed with it, and I've had it for over a year now. So I can't imagine that this would be of any lesser quality. Now this one's more of a curiosity thing. The Gotham Steel Pro. Now I was saying to myself, well, what's the difference in the regular and the Pro? Maybe it's just a fancy badging. But I grabbed the regular and the Pro and I did a comparison. The Pro seems to be considerably thicker material on the pans itself. Now, I can't speak to the longevity, but if people are curious about the Gotham, look at the Pro series to see if that does any better. That being said, I have the Calphalon version of these, and the Calphalons are outstanding, and they seem to be of better quality than the Gotham Pro, but I just wanted to throw this out there. Okay, I bought 2 sets of these from Costco, and they're awesome. For $20, you get quality slides, and you put these anywhere in your kitchen where you need extra storage. I have 2 under my kitchen sink, one on the left and right side. They're reversible, and I got a much larger version for my pots and pans in the cabinet next to it. I put a video out maybe a few weeks ago on this. URHC did as well, and I think we would both agree that this is a quality unit. Okay, we got this $15 air popper at BJ's. The holidays here, chances are you got kids maybe, or even for yourself, you want to pop some air popcorn, and this is going to do it pretty quick and effortlessly, not like when I try to do it in my rotisserie or my GoWISE USA air fryer oven. So BJ's carries some Copper Chef stuff, so here's a view of something, a couple of different angles. Look at the price closely here. It ends at 98 cents. From what I understand, and I read a long time ago, when BJ's puts it at 98 cents, that means it's like at or below cost. So this is probably as cheap as you're going to see at Copper Chef, and Copper Chef is a quality product. The other clue here that they're getting rid of it is there's no expiration date on the discount. So if you like Copper Chef and you need something like this, you better go grab it before they're gone. And BJ's has a various collection of Bella kitchen appliances, or small kitchen appliances. You notice that little stir up there for $12.98? Yep, that's discontinued. You can pick it up for $13. Okay, Christmas is about laughter and cheer, and this is a funny one right here. This is a replacement center for your toilet roll. And it's $10. It's not on sale, but this is what I found funny. I went to visit my parents and give them a hand with a couple of things, and I had to blow my nose and didn't find any tissue, so I just run in the bathroom, grab some toilet paper to wipe my nose, and it starts playing music. And I'm thinking to myself, poor unsuspecting sap who has to sit on the toilet and starts rolling out toilet paper, and it starts singing out. Now everybody knows you're in the bathroom. Hopefully you recovered from your laughing from the last one, but here we have a Power Pressure Cooker XL. Some of you may be familiar with the air fryers they sell. This is 10 quarts at $90, and there's that 98 cents again. That means this is about as low as it's going to go. So if you need to cook a boatload of food, this is probably the right thing for you. Okay, here we have a Sharp 32-inch 720p television. No, it's not 1080p. This is great though to put in a kid's room, maybe a spare TV in another room in the house for $100. I have a Vizio 37-inch I bought at BJ's, and it was probably between $500 and $800 when I bought it. Granted, that was 10 years ago, but just goes to show you how affordable the technology is right now. And again, for $100, it's not a bad price. I showed this on my last BJ's video. 90 bucks. This is a multi-function table. It's a work platform, it's a workbench, it's a cart, and it's a creeper. So if you don't have a lot of room, or you don't do a lot of handyman stuff, or whatever the case may be, I have the Ketter version of this, and it's great. You just pop it open, flip up the legs, use it quick, and then put it away. So if you're looking for something for that little worker in your house, maybe you need a stocking stuffer, maybe you need a couple extra sets of screwdrivers. Here you go. 13 bucks and 15 bucks for a nice little kit. Stanley is a well-known brand, and the other brand below, not too familiar with it, but you know, if you need an extra pair of screwdrivers, like I have in my kitchen, a big drawer, I have screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, some tape, something like that. Okay, on the left we have a set of 4 steel mixing bowls. I like these because when you're using a mixer, these are easier to clean out with plastic. You know, some of those even sauces and stuff like that, it's really hard to clean out of the plastic. It's $5 right now. That's $2 down from yesterday's discounted price. On the right, we have a 25-piece Tupperware type set with those locking lids, and this also dropped $2 since yesterday. Now, I'm not sure too much about the brand, but it's worth taking a look, I think. This appears to be a newer version of my crisper tray. The way the little stands are, if you notice, they're wide and in the center, where mine had smaller ones in the corner. I've had pretty good luck with mine. This seems to be the same size. There was not a price on here, but I'm going to guess this was anywhere between $15 and $20 at BJ's. You can pick it up on Amazon as well, but usually they're a couple of dollars more. Well, chances are you got company coming, and maybe you need a food warmer. So this is a smaller unit, but for 20 bucks, you get a 3-compartment food warmer with temperature control. I'm not familiar with the brand. Nostalgia, I seem to see it at BJ's quite often. Maybe it's worth a look. I break a couple of snow brooms every year. This year, BJ's raised the price to 20 bucks, and unfortunately, I bought it at 20 bucks. Since then, it's been on sale for like $13 and now $15. But what I like about this is it extends to 50 inches, 50. So it's handy for my truck for getting that snow off the roof. And do yourself a favor, take all the snow off your car before going anywhere. It's cold outside, and it's probably cold in your garage. I've been looking to get one of these. I have the little parabolic version that I got at Costco, but this one at BJ's is 90 bucks. You can mount it to a wall. It has a stand. You can put it outside, whatever the case. It says $90, but I think that's the old sale price. I think it may be up to $100 now. Okay, here we have a Sauté. These are becoming increasingly more popular. I've seen a lot of videos lately on these at YouTube. This dropped another $10 since yesterday. And you see that 98 cents at the top? Remember, that means that when these are gone, they're gone. And probably not much lower price than that. I posted this link on my Mario's Domain page on Facebook and Instagram, but I need an olive oil drizzler, and I saw these. Again, there's at 98 cents, 13 bucks, and it looks fancy schmancy. So I have a red one, I believe, coming to me soon. You may remember this electric car from my last video. It's a 6-volt Mini Cooper coupe for kids. I would have loved this as a kid, and I'd still love something like this right now, but I'm too big for it. But the price dropped $20 last night. So now instead of $100, it costs you $80. So again, your kid's going to love you for at least a whole day for $20 less. Okay, 2 inflatables here. You got the Jemmy 10-foot down to 60 bucks, less than half price. The head's articulating, goes back and forth. And then you got the Santa, that's 7 feet with the countdown timer for only 30 bucks. Heavily discounted. The sale, they say, goes until December 24th. However, the day after usually it drops even more, and then maybe I will get the price adjusted for that. I can't possibly go over everything that's on sale at BJ's, but here's a couple of other mentions here. Storage for Christmas ornaments, etc. I use a lot of these bags, and I buy more every year for more things that I buy. Also, these little serving dishes, 7 bucks. Again, there's that 98 cents again, so if this interests you at all, run down to your local BJ's now. Chances are you're going to need some wrapping paper because you bought a lot of stuff. 5 bucks for 3 rolls, and it's a variety, so go at it. Don't you just love them coupons? So I hope this was helpful. I got links down in the description for my Facebook and Instagram accounts. I have been putting specials in there and updates more often than I have on YouTube. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I put out a new video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.